Hi guys, it's Kayla from Craftables here, and today we're going to have a look at the Uniquely Creative Mother Nature Creative Kit. So as always, let's get this out of the plastic and have a look at what's inside. Alrighty, so we will start with the 12 by 12 inch collection pack here. So let's get that open. You get two of each sheet as usual. So we've got two of that one. Got two of that one. I think this one's really beautiful. Two of that one. Two of that one. That wood panelling's really nice. Then we've got some fussy cut sheets as well. So we've got fussy cut leaf sheet. Let's try and just shift that over just a wee bit. There we go. So we've got two of the fussy cutting leaf sheets there, and then you've also got two of the fussy cutting floral sheets. So there's those. You've got two of those, so you've got some journaling cards and some quote cards on the back of that one. And then you get two of those. So again, more fussy cutting. I've got a couple of tags. These look like they fold, which is quite cool. So you get two of that one as well. Now, onto the other bits. We've got, let's see, how many's that? You've got two, it's like a very thick 12 by 12, almost like a thin chipboard. That's quite interesting. So you get two of those. You also get, so you've also got one of the A4 fussy cut sheets there. We have a sheet of vellum, which is really nice. And we have this fussy cutting printed sheet, which is printed on watercolor paper. So you can color this in with your watercolor paints. You could use watercolor pencils. You could color it in with whatever you want. But it's very good to note that it is printed on watercolor paper. So that opens up your coloring options quite a lot. So you get one sheet of that as well. You also get the Creative Kit Club magazine, which has just so, I'm not going to flick through the whole thing, but it does have just heaps and heaps of ideas and layouts and tips and tricks, and so you get that in your kit as well, which is really great. And then we've got our little embellishment bag here. So let's open that up. We've got like a very thick chipboard leaf embellishment die cut there. We've got a piece of cork. Oh, it's sticky. There you go. Piece of sticky back cork. It's kind of it's a little bit bigger than A6, but a little bit smaller than A5. It's kind of in between the two if you're looking for sort of a size comparison. We've got a little bag of tiny buttons, which are super, super cute. We've got a bag of sequins, which is they're a gorgeous pastel-y pink colour. We've got these lovely little flowers there. We've also got a huge pack of the creative cuts. Like, see if I can show you. It's so full. There are so many creative cuts in there, which is awesome. We've also got some gorgeous yellow pearls. We've got this super cute acrylic stamp. Oh, I love that pattern. That's so neat. I'll pop that there. There's one of those. You also get a pack of coloured doilies. Gosh, it's hard to tell how many are in there. It might be 6 per colour. I'm just guessing. So you've got those. They look like paper. So they're coloured paper doilies, which is really nice. I love using these. We have got a stencil, and it's punched as well. So if you store your stencils in a folder of any kind, they're already punched down the side, which is really lovely. So that kind of looks a bit like a cherry blossom, which I love. And then finally we have a metal die. So it looks like we've got the word blessed in two different sizes there. So you get all of that. Let's see if I can squeeze sort of a hint of everything in there. We've got the magazine. We've got our watercolor fussy cut sheet, our printed fussy cut sheet. Oh gosh, I'm not going to fit all this. And our vellum sheet. And then we also have, pop that up there. We've also got all of your 12 by 12 papers in there, as well as your two white 12 by 12 thick cardboard. So that is everything included in the Mother Nature Creative Kit by Uniquely Creative. We have these available right now, so if you want one, get in touch with us, have a look on our website. I'll put all of the relevant links in the description box below, and enjoy being crafty. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye!